the dollar index just hit the 7 months low. Okay, so it just hit the 7 months low, I believe, yesterday. So you can see this is what we have here. We have a weekly fair value gap at this level, and then we have this candle here, which is our order block. Okay, so these are bullish order block here. So, and then we have this low here, which is our next targeted low. Okay, so in as much as we have the weekly fair value gap here, and we also have the order block here, I believe price is most likely to continue to go down because we already have a bearish shift in market structure. Okay, so we already have a bearish shift in market structure. You can see here we have a shift in market structure, and also when this 7 months low was taken, we also have a shift in market structure here. So I believe price will continue to push down, in as much as we might see some resistance at this level here, but I believe price will push down and take out this low here, unless we get to see price showing us any buy profiles or indicating that is most likely to just retrace and get to this level here. But just wait for price to give you that information. But as for now, I believe this is just gonna be a level that it's gonna be used as a resistance, and then price is gonna continue to go down. Okay, so the main point is I'm not looking forward to buy at this level here, because it's obvious price is very bearish. So as price is going down on the dollar index, okay, what we are expecting, any currency where the dollar index is a base pair, we expect it to also go down with the dollar index. Okay, and then any currency where the US dollar it's not a base pair, we expect it to go up. Okay, so we are looking at Euro USD and the pound US dollar and the Australian US dollar. You can see those currency pairs, they are going up, and then you can see USD JPY, those currency pairs are going down with the dollar index. So let's look at one example here. So this is what we have here. We have the Australian US dollar. These are weekly time frames. So we have a fair value gap at this level here, and then we have the mean threshold of the other block. Okay, so as you can see here, price is at the significant level here at this level. So but one thing we need to keep in mind, that there is a lot of volatility on the dollar index. Okay, so in as much as price is at this level here, and also the dollar index is at the significant level, so watch the dollar index close and watch these close. Okay, so I believe if you go to daily, for hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, that's where you can get to have an idea of what price is doing. Okay, because from there you will be able to see any sell signals, okay, or any break in market structure. For an example, let's take, you get to see price breaking structure here, and then after that forming some fair value gap, coming back to those fair value gaps. So you're just gonna be looking for any sell profiles on the smaller time frame. Okay, so let me shift back. So you're just gonna be looking for the same structure that you see here on the bigger time frame. Okay, which indicates that price is bearish. Okay, that's the same thing that you want to see on a smaller time frame, because price is fractal. It repeats the same patterns all over again in different time frames. Okay, so in as much as you have buy side liquidity and then you have sell side liquidity here, or you have a shift in market structure, that's the same thing you will want to see here when you go to a smaller time frame. Okay, and then you make that informed decision. But watch close what the dollar index is doing, especially because there are elections in the US and there is a lot of tension around the world. So watch close what the dollar index is doing, and then you make that informed decision. Shalom.